Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today, in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to use Facebook Messenger to make high-ticket sales for your affiliate marketing business. But before telling you this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to download this book for free. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to use Facebook Messenger to make high ticket sales for your affiliate marketing business. So now, here I would say in this guide, I will break down the steps that you can use to generate high quality leads and close sales using Messenger. So I will show you the steps step by step. So now, what is your first step? First step is you have to post on your Facebook profile CTA post. CTA post is kind of like your money making post that you post on your Facebook profile, where you offer any free training, any free cheat sheet, free ebook, free mind map, whatever, right? So you offer something for free. So as in my case, you can see that in my CTA post, I have offered free training by my 7-figure super affiliate mentor on how to make potentially 2K to 5K commission without closing sales yourself, who wants free access. So this is my CTA post. By the way, if you want more details on that, so I have done my training. So you can go and check out my previous training, right? If you want to know more about what is CTA post. So now, so this is your first step. So that post you share on your Facebook profile, and then whosoever, like here you have to wait for the person, wait for the people, wait for your friends to comment on your post. And whosoever, this is your third step, whosoever comments on the post saying yes, or I'm interested, or whatever the keyword that you have asked them to comment. So if they type same exact word, like you have asked them to type something like comment millennial, comment learn, comment guide. So whosoever type that same comment with the same keyword, guide, learn, or as in my case, it can be yes, or I'm interested, so whatever, right? Then you can say that thank you so much. In the comment, you have to say, in reply to their comment, you can say that thank you so much with the name. So I can say that thank you so much, Bob, for your interest in free training. I'm just sending you details in your DM or in your messenger. Please check it now. So this is the first comment that you have to give in reply to their comment, right? And then, by the way, you can see the example. Somebody who has requested for the training, free training. So me, please. So I have just commented, thank you so much, name, for your interest in free training. I'm just sending you details in your DM. Please check it now. Now, fourth step, what you have to do. Then in the messenger, what you have to do. In messenger, you can send them a DM or message saying something like, hey Bob, thank you so much for commenting on my post. Now here, what you have to do, this is very, very important. You can send a picture of the post where he or she commented. So that was the picture. So take a screenshot of this picture and send this picture in their messenger. so that they can see that, okay, yes, this was the post where they commented. So that way you are reminding them, right? So now, are you still interested in the free training or guide? So that way you will check, or you will get to know that whether this person is serious or not. Because sometimes I see that, personally I notice that sometimes people randomly, they see your post and they randomly type learn, guide, I'm interested, but they show no interest. So here you are just checking it whether this person is really serious about your free training, right? So this is one of the way that you can check whether your prospect, he is serious or not. So here you can see that my message. First of all, I say that, hi Bob. First of all, I again wanna say thank you so much for commenting on my post to get free training. Yes, I just wanted to see if you are still interested in the free training. And then I post the picture of my CTA post. And now in fifth step, if they say yes, send them the free training or free ebook that you have promised them to give. So here I would say my mean is that when you are just giving free access to the training, first you collect their emails. And how you collect their emails? With two-step sales system. So by the way, if you don't know what is two-step sales system, again I have done the training on that, so you can go and check out what I'm saying here, right? So yes, so you send them your funnel, your two-step sales funnel. So there what they will do, they will put their name and email address. Then on the next page you give access to the free training, or you can send email where they can go and click on the link and they can download your free ebook or your training that you have offered them to watch or to download, right? So overall idea is that you, in the messenger, you send them to your funnel, your two-step sales system. So that way you collect the emails of your quality prospect, or you can say you collect the emails of your quality people, right? So this is very important. You don't directly send them, hey, this is your free book or free training, go and watch. If you don't have your sales funnel, then yes, in that case you can do that. But I would highly recommend you, please come up with your own sales funnel, sales system. So that way you build your email list, right? Now, so collect email. If they say yes, then send them the free training or ebook that you have to collect their email address and get them into your funnel. And once they are in the funnel, let your funnel do the selling for you. So in your funnel, you can follow up with them by sending emails. And yes, after 4 or 5 emails, you can pitch your offer too, right? But here I would say provide value in your email. Don't straight away just pitch your offer, right? Now, sixth one, if they say no, yes, there may be possibility that they may say no or they don't answer. So here what you have to do, rather being frustrated or rather being upset, move on. They will never become a customer of yours and will most likely just waste your time. So don't just think that why they are not you can say responding to your message, what happened to them, right? Don't argue with them in the messenger, saying don't be, you can say, desperate why they are not responding. You simply say, hey, what happened, hey, why you are not responding, something like. Just move on. They are not your ideal prospect, they are not serious. So don't waste your precious time, precious energy into them, okay? Just move on. Now, your next step. So here, what you have to do, once you have sent them to your funnel, so after a few days, you can follow up with them just to see whether they have watched your training or not. So at this point, you can ask more questions and see if they want to join your program or product that you are promoting based on how they liked your free giveaway and your funnel, right? So that you can do. And then if you follow this process, or if you continue with this, then definitely you will get high quality leads, as well as you will be able to make high ticket sales too. So that's the right way to close the deal in the messenger, right? So that's the process that you have to follow. So now it's very, very important to have a good funnel in place with multiple webinars, a ton of value, program results, and finally, if you are selling high ticket, a link to set up a phone call with you or your team. This is very, very important. If you want to close the deal, high ticket sales, then yes, you need a phone call. They can connect with you or with your team. Without a funnel in place, this method will not be as effective, as you will struggle to get any sort of sales for any product you promote. Yes, so that's the process. So in this process, you need a sales funnel, quality sales funnel. So I hope this helps you to get started on your affiliate marketing journey. By the way, if you are struggling to make your first 10K, then you can comment below with saying help. Then I will see that how can help you, right? So these are the steps that you have to take to use your Facebook Messenger to make high ticket sales. So let me just recap it again. First step, post CTA post on your Facebook profile, then wait for people to come to you and comment on the post. And then third step, whosoever comment, simply send this message, thank you so much, with the name for interest in free training. I'm just sending you details. And then in Messenger, you can say something like this with the picture, right? And if they say yes, send them to your funnel. If they say no, move on. And then after some days, you can follow up with them. And here you can ask some questions. And then if you think that they are right person, or they are interested in moving forward with you, they want to join your program, then yes, you can send them to your, you can say, to your high ticket sales page, or you can take them to your phone call or with your team, right? So that way you can close them. So this is the process that you can follow, right? So that's it for today. And yes, once again, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you, right? And yes, once again, I would say, like, if you are struggling to make your first 10K online, then yes, you can, down below, you can comment help, or you can send me message help. Then I will see that how can I help you, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.